Are you a kind of person that follows wood decor trends? Are you looking for contemporary wooden decorative pieces ideas to transform your living spaces and give your home a fresh look? In that case, you have come to the right place, as we have gathered several wood decor pieces you can consider incorporating to your living spaces. Some of these items could be considered as mini woodworking project ideas which you can complete in a weekend. Following wood furniture trends can serve as a source of inspiration, sparking creativity in your home decor. Trends often showcase innovative designs and styles that you may not have considered previously. Trends can inspire DIY enthusiasts to create their own pieces, blending personal style with current design preferences. This not only adds a unique touch to your home but also enhances your woodworking skills. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of contemporary wood decor ideas to give your home a fresh look. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. As the world of design continues to evolve, so too will the trends surrounding wood furniture. By embracing changes, you can ensure that your home remains stylish, welcoming, and reflective of your personal taste. Whether you're a homeowner, designer, or business owner, keeping up with wood furniture trends is a vital aspect of creating a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Being aware of wood furniture trends can help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Trends often dictate price points, allowing you to find quality pieces that fit your budget. Additionally, investing in trendy furniture can prevent costly replacements in the future, as you are more likely to choose items that remain relevant and functional. Staying updated with trends can encourage you to mix and match different furniture styles, creating an eclectic yet cohesive look. Understanding what's trending allows you to combine contemporary pieces with vintage finds effectively. While trends provide a framework, they also leave room for personal interpretation. By following wood furniture trends, you can select pieces that resonate with your individual style, ensuring that your home is a true reflection of who you are. Following wood furniture trends is essential for anyone looking to create a beautiful, functional, and sustainable living space. The aesthetic appeal of wood furniture, combined with its adaptability and market value, makes it a worthwhile investment. By staying informed about current trends, you can make choices that not only enhance your home but also align with contemporary values and lifestyles. Transforming our homes is a multifaceted endeavor that encompasses personal growth, functionality, sustainability, and aesthetic appeal. As our lives evolve, so too should our living spaces. By embracing the need for transformation, we can create environments that reflect our identities, promote well-being, and adapt to modern challenges. In an era marked by rapid change and uncertainty, the importance of our homes cannot be overstated. They serve as sanctuaries, creative spaces, and hubs of connection. By prioritizing transformation, we enhance our quality of life, foster resilience, and contribute positively to our communities and the environment. As environmental concerns grow, the importance of sustainable sourcing of wood becomes evident. When making these wood decor pieces, look for wood products that are certified by organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, ensuring responsible harvesting practices. Using salvaged wood not only reduces waste but also adds character to furniture pieces. Wood furniture is often more sustainable than alternatives like plastic or metal. Wood is a natural material that decomposes over time, reducing landfill waste. When sourced sustainably, wood furniture can have a lower carbon footprint compared to synthetic materials. The unique grain patterns and colors of wood create a warmth and beauty that many synthetic materials cannot replicate. Each piece of wood has its own character, making every furniture item unique. Wood furniture can fit into various design styles, from traditional to contemporary. Its versatility allows it to complement different decor themes, making it a timeless choice for homeowners. Wood furniture can significantly enhance the ambience of a room. Whether it's a rustic dining table, a sleek modern chair, or a classic wooden cabinet, these pieces add warmth and texture to interior spaces. Ultimately, the need to transform our homes is a reflection of our commitment to growth, sustainability, and well-being. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, let us embrace the journey of transformation, creating spaces that inspire, nurture, and empower us. Wooden decorative pieces and wood furniture are more than just functional items, they are pieces of art, history, and sustainability. Whether seeking comfort in a cozy chair, functionality in a sturdy table, or beauty in a handcrafted cabinet, wood furniture continues to enrich our lives in countless ways. Whether you're looking to create a cozy nook at home or a stylish seating area in your office, the right contemporary wood decor can make all the difference in transforming your environment into a welcoming and visually captivating space. We hope this exploration of stylish contemporary wood decor ideas has inspired you to embark on a journey of creativity and personal expression as you enhance your home or office decor with the perfect wooden solutions. Embrace the diversity of contemporary wood decor designs and let your imagination guide you toward creating an environment that reflects your unique sense of style and sophistication. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary wood decor ideas to give your home a fresh look. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.